appreciate you. You're here because you want to know how to make some money. You're here because you most likely responded to my post. If you're someone that takes baths, brush their teeth, want to look younger, like skin routines, and you can make money doing that, that's exactly why you're here, guys. So we're an alternative in this space. So you're probably wondering, how am I going to compete with these, stores? Because everyone's looking for more natural products. Natural, I mean, really natural. The store can only, most stores only get so natural. We have an actual formulator in house that specializes in this. So you're going to see the ingredients. You're going to be able to look at all that, when you go to the website. But you're going to see that I'm not just saying that they're natural, they're actually natural. And this is one of the most lucrative businesses because, like I said, everyone, uses soap, brushes their teeth for the most part, and want to look younger. So I don't really have to explain that. The compensation plan is very simple: retail commissions and commissions helping people, open up their own product based business. You don't have to do home meetings if you want, you don't have to do Zooms if you don't want. You don't have to sell to family or friends. Everything's in place. I've been in the digital marketing space for a long time, so it doesn't matter what product I have, long as I love it, it's easy for me to push it and show you guys how to push it. Um, the startup costs, crazy. You get started with this opportunity for as little as $7.49 plus, I think, $5 shipping. Because all you have to do is purchase one product. That's five business volume, and you'll see when you're purchasing them. So most people start with the deodorants. One of the deodorants, because you want to be a product of the product. It's hard to talk about health and wellness and everything I just listed if you don't even have at least one product. You never look on your website. So one product, and then as a bonus you get to be an influencer and refer these products to other people. But you don't have to stop there. You don't have to just get one oil or one deodorant. You can get as many as you want. And it's actually going to help you make even more money when you look at the compensation plan. But the fact that everything is dang near the same price that you go into the store, and way more potent, way more, natural, like, makes it so easy to sell this. Plus, around this season, if you're seeing this in the fall, um, ending summer, now winter, side hustles are major, and the best thing you can have is a side hustle and a way for someone to earn some extra money that they can do simple. It's very simple. It's not a lot of explaining. It's not a lot of numbers. It's very simple. Plus, you get your own website. You get your own customer service included, guys. So all the information will be below, showing you how to launch your business, for as little as, $11, or however many products you want. So drop any questions in the comment section, and hope to see you in the family.